You seem to have no idea on how much a leaking faucet can hurt your water bill. We are here today to help you fixing your water faucet. Here is what they don't want you to know. You can fix this for $1. First, turn the main water shutoff valve off. This is important. We use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the handle. Now we can remove the handle. Just give it a good pull. We need a 5/8" wrench to loosen the valve. We take it out, and cannot loose the old seal, unless you have a new seal. With the Phillips screwdriver we remove the screw that secures the gasket. This hardened, and possibly cracked gasket is the reason the water faucet leaks. Drop for drop it is going to eat through your wallet. We replace the old gasket with this new softer replacement that you can buy for less than $1 at the local hardware store. The side with the text printed on it goes in first. The smooth surface faces the seat of the valve. Use the Phillips screwdriver to secure the new gasket. Insert the valve stem into the faucet. Don't forget the ring seal. Use the 5/8" wrench to tighten the valve stem, but do not over-tighten it. Close the valve by using the handle. Once the valve is closed, position the handle in the closed position. Use the Phillips screw to secure the handle. Do not over-tighten this screw. Now your faucet stopped leaking? Turn the water main back on and check for leaks.